What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to remove a high fuel pump. So first of all, I already changed this multiple times, so yeah, let's do it again. Take out the intake, air intake. As you can see, I fixed a lot of these cars. That's why I don't have the beauty covers for that and this on. These are known comments. It takes time, guys, but it's very easy. There's that. And this one, you don't want any dirt or anything fall in, so you want to find something to cover it. Just find some random gloves. Secure it. Okay. And what you have to do is just get a 10mm. First of all, this is the only wire that you have. There you go. And get your 17mm, and you gotta leak some gas out because it's under pressure. Cup or something, just press on it just like a tire. Okay, that's it. These clips. Okay. Like so. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There's that. You're gonna have some fuel coming out, but that's okay. Another trick that I found is you just have a water hose, just cut it out. This is how you're gonna disconnect the fuel line. Wrap around and press it down. It's a little stuck. Get yourself this so you don't hurt your hands. Grab it, up, down, and then just pull it out. There you go. It's easy. This gasket. Wait, the trick is just press down. There you go. It should just come out like so. There's that guy. And just reverse the process. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.